Let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xyla Technologies. Today we are going to demonstrate project named IoT-based patient health and medicine reminder. In this project we are monitoring body parameters like heart rate, body temperature, body skin resistance, body activeness using accelerometer. And on the other side we have medicine reminder setup. In this we can remind the patient for the medicine to take at what time, like at 11 p.m, like at 11 a.m, like Monday, Tuesday, which tablet to take. We can decide using our Arduino code. You can notice we have used two Arduinos here. Right side we have for patient monitoring part, and on the left side we have for the medicine reminder. And both Arduino are connected with two different Wi-Fi. We can use only one microcontroller also, like Arduino Mega, because it has so many pins, and here pin requirement is much more. And we are using server like thingspeed.com. So in this server we can configure it and write the code in Arduino that the value will be thrown here, like of temperature, body temperature, then humidity, heartbeat, accelerometer values, that is for the activeness or unconsciousness measurement of patient higher activity. After that we can also measure some other parameters like body skin resistance, like GSR, galvanic skin resistance. We can make it using resistance. You can find details in the description how we have made this. So those are the basic things in the project, the sensors and working of the project. So what we are doing mainly on the RTC part, like the real-time clock, what we are doing, we can set every time, day, minute. According to it, LED will glow on like Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and at time you can have medicine. Okay, so this project can be used like it can be applicable for older person with a weak memory, or someone is irritated, like which tablet to have at what time, so they can enter their values. Okay, reminder they can set, like at that time you have to take that tablet, and after that when you take out that tablet you have to press reset button. The buzzer will be reset. When the time reaches the exact value, it will trigger the buzzer. So buzzer will produce sound. You will get notification on phone also, like the time to take the medicine. You will go and take the medicine and reset the buzzer. So that is the reminder for the RTC part. And on the right side we are having patient monitoring kit, and we can monitor the temperature, like putting it on the temperature sensor. We can tape it, then we can have heartbeat measurement, that is using the concept of IR sensor. It will pass your blood, and if it is not passing your blood, the value will reflect back to the photodiode, and it will be calculated as one heartbeat, and we will read it till 5 seconds and multiply it by 12, and we will get heartbeat per minute, and we can send that data to LCD and internet. More things we can add here, like different parameters like glucose, bottle measurement, how much glucose is remaining in the bottle, then urine measurement, and more thing you can ask me on WhatsApp that more thing what can be implemented here. You can check description box, and you can also WhatsApp me like what more things can be used here, like how to write the research paper, how to do the research work in this project, can be used in COVID safety also. Okay, and thank you friends for watching the video. Have a nice day. Guys, you can search Xyla Technologies on Google. You will find our website. On website you can get free project guidance, consultancy, DIY videos, article, research paper, PPT, PDF, etc. You can just WhatsApp us. We will guide you what's the best research project for you, what you can make for your final year project. And you can also come to our lab for one-day workshop. In that workshop you can make project by yourself. We will guide you. In search form you can search for project, component, kits, document, PPT, research paper, etc. Let's take one example, IoT based home automation. If you want some customization in the project, like some improvement, some research work, you can just WhatsApp us. We will guide you what the things can be added in this. And if you want the same, you can just order that directly. After the order we will connect with you on WhatsApp. We will provide you the things regarding the project, like circuit diagram, project, report, PPT, etc. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like content like new project, DIY video, training video, courses, you can join to this channel. And
got me a guitar, said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strum that guitar every